It's 3 p.m. So time to turn our attention to our special segment, D3 Chatter. Nimish is with us. Nimish, what are you picking up today? I don't know how many people are at their desks actually domestically, but what are the flows which are like?
Well, the presence is obviously on the lower side, so that clearly shows off in the volumes as well. But look at the intraday recovery in the markets today. I think it's largely led by large cap, and within large cap is the Reliance, which has been a big contributor as well. As far as the Nifty is concerned, of course, the bank Nifty has also recovered slightly from the intraday lows. But in terms of flows, the sense I'm getting is there is still some bit of selling pressure from the larger FIs. I just want to add a line on the flows. If you look at for the last 10-12 days, there is a consistent sell flow from the larger FIs. I was talking to some large, global experts as well, and the general feedback is there is a redemption for an India-dated ETF. It's not that the India-dated funds are seeing redemptions, but there is one particular ETF which is having a redemption for the last many days. NSE are saying on an average 100 million of selling from that ETF in the last many days. So that actually explains the net FI sell figure in the cash market for the last many days from the larger FI. So that's the overall feedback as far as flows are concerned. Within sectors, metals under pressure today because of the China news, and that's spooked a bit of the investor sentiment as well. But the PSUs is where the momentum continues. Again, in today's trade, a lot of PSUs which are relatively outperforming, and that's one space which is well bid by the larger institutions as well. So net the domestic presence is on the lower side. I explained the reason why the FI flows has been negative, but broadly it looks like today's recovery is led by one large name, which is Reliance Industries.
All right, Nimish, the presence is on the lower side at the desk, which is good. The better news is on our way home, the presence is lower even on the road, so hopefully we get clearer roads to reach home. But tell us some individual stocks. What are you picking up?
So in terms of individual names, the first stock on my list is ZEE Entertainment. After the NCLT approval, there are first signs of now long-only FIs turning active buyers on ZEE Entertainment, and that explains in the today's volume as well. So that's the first one. The second stock is Kesoram Industries. Under pressure in today's trade, but the HN activity is quite active, is what I understand in Kesoram Industries, and there is a wide anticipation that maybe the fundraising in this company will come very soon. So that's Kesoram Industries. And the third stock is Godrej Properties. Within the real estate name, this is one stock which has outperformed in the last 1 quarter, so to speak. But even in today's trade, good volumes up in trade, and largely on back of strong FI flows. So this is one stock within the real estate which is well bid by the larger FIs.
Okay, Nimish, all right, got that. Thank you very much for giving us all the buzz and the chatter as usual. We'll take a break on that note. On the other side, we will come back and get you some final trading calls as well, and more on the markets.